Right, we've hit a bit of a milestone here. I think I've cracked it. We're about to put the car on its wheels. So, I just worked out actually, I think it's 9 weeks solid on this thing, literally every day, including bank holiday, we've done it. And it gives me great pleasure to officially retire the crappiest shorts ever. And I'm now going to give them a Viking funeral. Bye bye. We were here last night till again 9 o'clock. Did all the breaks. I think we did a little bit of filming whilst I was doing them. Had a leak at the back, as you do when you're a bit tired. Turned out to be a little copper washer. It was not very good. It was new, but it was, so I threw that away. Put another one on, sorted. Aaron and I bled the brakes last night. Done a few little jobs this morning, and now it's literally put the tyres and wheels on. Brand new tyres from Blockley. Quite an unusual size actually. They're 145s and they're not readily available, so they're a little bit pricey, but they're nice. It's nice having a new set of tyres because it makes a huge difference to how the car handles and grips, obviously. I'll torque them up, well not torque them up, but I'll tighten them up when the car's on the ground. This is just to run them up. Yeah, the only query I've got, or not query, but slight thing is that the car's booked in for its tracking tomorrow at 10 o'clock, 10:30. So I've just gone for something I hope is okay. I think when the car hits the ground, the geometry will change, so we'll see. Hopefully it's not too bad. We went, speaking to Aaron, we painted the wheels Old English white. Technically, because it's a 71 Traveller, one of the last, they should be silver, but we both thought that the Old English white is a much better look for the car. That's that done, so just get it on the ground.
It's going forward a little bit, but not much.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, one of them's off one of its feet.
I'm going to put the axle stand so high. Could you just have a quick look at the back, David? Just make sure nothing silly's happening, as in.
It's alright at the moment.
It's more when I let them down. Down. Just keep an eye on it now. Just keep an eye on it. Slowly, Cameron.
That's it. It's alright at the moment. Yeah, good. Still on the block and everything. Yay, that's it. It's on the ground.
On the front seat, yeah.
Yep,
Okay,
both out.
on your toes. Here we go. 4 wheels on my wagon.
Hey.
That's a novelty. Having the little thing down to normal height. Ding dong, it works! Nice new interior. A few weeks ago we were discussing painting this, which is the fuel cover. Seems like a Well, it was a long time ago. It was 9 weeks ago, I think. That was one of the first things I did, weirdly.
Oh, you know, a bit of use.
I've been dying to do this. That's it. Oh no, that's my one. I've got one for my car and one for Aaron's. Hold on. Where are you? Here we go. Here we go. We're off!
Right, this is it. We're all done now. The car is mobile. It's been out in the rain and it's sheltering for now. I'm sure there's some more polishing to be done somewhere before he goes to France. I think the seats have got to have a final clean and buff, so I'll get that done sometime. Not today. And but yeah, it's all done, which is unbelievable. But it's brilliant. It looks lovely. It sits nice, and it sounds nice. So it's a good car.